Hello. Welcome to Listen to English AR. 1. Listen to the story without translation. 2. Listen to the story again with the translation turned on. 3. Answer some questions. Sophia woke up early. Today was a special day, the most important day of her life. She looked in the mirror. Her hair was perfect. Her dress was shining like the sun. Downstairs, her family was waiting with big smiles.
You look beautiful,
her mother said. A long white car was parked outside. Sophia got in and waved happily. When they arrived at the event, a big crowd was standing and waiting for her. Music started playing. Flowers were everywhere. Sophia walked slowly, holding a big bouquet of colorful flowers. The groom was wearing a nice suit. Sophia felt excited and happy. The celebration began. The music, the laughter, the smiles, everything was perfect. Sophia and the groom started dancing together. Everyone clapped and cheered as they danced happily. Suddenly, everything started to change. The groom disappeared. The crowd disappeared. The flowers started to disappear. Sophia started to panic and cry. The music turned into the sound of her alarm clock. Sophia opened her eyes. No dress. No husband. No wedding. Just her cat sitting on her lap, staring at her.
Oh no! I'm late for school.
Sophia screamed. She jumped out of bed, grabbed her backpack, and ran out the door to catch the bus.
Run.
Don't forget to rewatch the video with subtitles turned on to improve your understanding and language skills.
Now we will listen to 3 simple questions to check your understanding of the story, and then we will review some vocabulary. Try to answer these questions in the comments. 1. Who was waiting for Sophia downstairs? 2. What was the groom wearing? 3. How did Sophia feel at the celebration?
Wedding, wedding.
Bride, bride. Groom, groom.
Husband, husband.
Bouquet,
Bouquet. Celebration, celebration.
crowd, crowd.
Laughter, laughter. Clap,
Clap, cheer, cheer.
mirror, mirror.
Suit, suit. Dress, dress.
Important, important. Disappear, disappear. Excited, excited.
Panic, panic.
Event, event. Suddenly, suddenly. Great job, everyone! You've learned some useful vocabulary today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.